1 John 4:9. In this was manifested the love of God toward us, because that God sent his only begotten Son into the world, that we might live through him. Christmas is God's love made visible. The birth of Jesus was not just a moment in history. It was a declaration that God wants you to live through him. His love is intentional, personal, and life-giving.